Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Ford Mustang Shelby. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Ford is a steal with less than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.